Hello, beautiful soul. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Irin Academy. I am Irin Sultana Samia. Let's begin. And I am very happy to see you here again. And thank you, my friend, for choosing yourself to learn something so valuable that you can be the best version of yourself. My dear beautiful friend, let me tell you a secret. There is a voice inside many of us. It whispers, maybe you are not good enough. You should be better. Why can't you be like others? Have you heard that voice? I have. And maybe you have too. Today I'm going to share with you a beautiful truth. What if you are already enough? In the famous book, Radical Acceptance, Brach tells us a story. Once there was a tiger cub. But the tiger cub didn't grow up with tiger. It grew up with goats. It ate grass. It made goat sounds. It was scared. One day, one big tiger came and looked at the little one and said, "Why are you eating grass?" Then the little one replied, "Because I am a goat." Then the big tiger took the little one to a lake. For the first time, he saw his reflection and see that he was a tiger, strong, powerful, and beautiful, but he had forgotten who he was. So, my dear friend, today I'll help you to find your own reflection so that you can be the best version of yourself. So, stay with me till the very end and subscribe to Irin Academy right now, because here we don't just talk about motivation. We are trying to help you to give some practical and easy solution for your everyday life's problems. Sometimes we are like that tiger. We forget who we are. We believe the world when it says, "You are not good enough. You are not smart enough. You are too much. You are too emotional. You are too quiet. You are too dark." So we try to change. We hide. We pretend. And we act like that goats, where actually we are tigers. What is radical acceptance? Now let's go deeper and try to understand what is radical acceptance. Radical acceptance means stopping the fight inside your heart. It means saying, "This is how I feel right now, and it's okay. You must not saying like this. I shouldn't be angry. I shouldn't feel sad. I shouldn't feel bad. I shouldn't feel scared." Instead, you can say, "I feel bad. I feel sad. I feel angry. I feel scared. And it's okay." It doesn't mean you feel scared forever. Rather, it means we stop hating ourselves for feeling sad, for feeling bad, for feeling scared. My dear friend, imagine you fall while running. You hurt your knee. Would you shout at your knee, "Why are you bleeding? Why are you so stupid?" No, you would clean it. You would put some medicine. You would be gentle. But when our heart hurts, we shout at ourselves. We are saying, "Why are you like this? Why can't you be better?" But radical acceptance says that treat your heart like your wounded knees with kindness. Let's go more deeper. Brach says us, healing has two wings. Wing number one, mindfulness. That means noticing what is happening right now. I feel tight in my chest. My stomach feels heavy. My eyes want to cry. Just noticing. Number two, compassion. That means being kind to yourself. Keep your hand on your heart and says, "It's okay. I'm here for you." When two wings move together, you can fly. Now let's see another example from our real life. There was a girl who was trying to be perfect, a perfect student, a perfect daughter, a perfect mother, but inside she was tired. Every night she thought, I'm not doing enough. But one day she stopped. She sat quiet and she put her hand on her heart and she whispered, I'm trying my best. She cried, not because she was weak, but because for the first time she saw her own reflection. She was kind to herself, and that is radical acceptance. Do you know, my dear friend? Many people are living in a trance. The trance says, I'm not good enough. So we run, we work more, we compare, we scroll, we compete. No matter how we achieve, our inner voice keep saying, still not enough. But the radical acceptance wakes us up and it says, wait, before you fix yourself, can you love yourself first? Right now, as you are. Now, my dear beautiful friend, I want you to close your eyes with me for a moment and let's take a gentle breath. Now, ask yourself, how am I feeling right now? And don't judge, just notice and put your hand on your heart and say softly, this feeling belongs to me. I'm allowed to feel right now. I'm still worthy of love. That's it. Simple but very powerful. Now let's try to understand something more powerful. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to be best. You don't have to win everything. You don't have to impress anyone. A flower does not try to be another flower. A rose does not try to be sunflower. Because everyone has its own beauty. It simply blooms. You just allowed yourself to bloom in your own way. Beautiful soul, maybe nobody told you this before, but today I'm telling you that you are not broken. You are not behind. You are not too much. You are a human, just learning how to live. And that is brave. Remember the tiger? The tiger did not become strong that day. He was always strong. He was just remembered. The radical acceptance is remembering. Remembering you are already enough. Remembering you are already whole. Remembering you are already worthy. Even with fear, even with mistakes, even with tears. So, beautiful soul, love yourself first and go ahead. If this message touched your heart, pause for a moment and promise yourself, I will love myself first and I will never be my own enemy ever. And if you want simple and deep healing lesson and want to realize your true self, subscribe to Irin Academy because here we don't become someone else. We remember who we are. Please like this video and share it too with your friends and family. And comment below, I love myself. I am my true friend. So my dear friend, be brave, be positive. See you in the next episode. Until then, take care of your mind and body. Assalamu alaikum.